मिलिट्री उनके उन ट्राइबल पीपल को कैसे सर्वाइव किया जाए, उनके प्रॉब्लम्स भी रावसी रिवॉल्ट भी हुआ. देन द मिस्टर ब्रिटिशर्स हैज मेड देम पुलिस ऑफ द हिल्स. They made them police of the hills for the protection and all. So I said that Ramosis of Maharashtra, if you see that, and then they have what is where the inferior ranks of police in the Maratha administration. वो लोग किसमें थे? Yes, tell me. Maratha administration में inferior ranks of police, and after the fall of the Marathas kingdom, they become farmers and heavy land revenue demands by the British. Yes or not? और ये ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट इन्होंने क्या कर दिया? रिवॉल्ट. और फिर इन लोगों को ब्रिटिशर्स ने बोला कि तुम लोग को भी हम कहीं कहीं जॉब में लगा देते हैं. दैट इज अंडरस्टूड. व्हाट इज द रामोसिस? रामोसिस आर हिली ट्राइब्स ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट. हिली ट्राइब्स ऑफ द वेस्टर्न घाट, दे आर व्हाट इज अंडर द मराठास, एंड आफ्टर द फॉल ऑफ द मराठा दे बिकम जॉबलेस, एंड देयर इज एन प्रेशर ऑन व्हाट, देन दे बिकम द पुलिस ऑफ, एंड दे आर नॉट एबल टू गिव द land revenue. Thereafter they have revolted, and thereafter what happened? उनको hill पे पुलिस का जॉब दिया गया. सतारा, and this is the region of सतारा. कहाँ पे? बिजोलिया. कौन देखा हमने? And it is in a साधु सीताराम दास and भूप सिंह. क्या हमने बोला? Who are the two person of there? Bizolia 1913. Yes, tell me. साधु सीताराम दास and भूप सिंह. साधु गर्ल्स को देख रहा था और गर्ल्स परेशान हो गई. फिर क्या हुआ? बिजली गिरी. क्या गिरी? बिजली गिरी. बिजली गिरी, और बिजली गिरने के बाद साधु क्या बन गया? सीता को देख रहा था. सीता राम बोल रहा था, सीता को देखे जा रहा था. तो क्या बन गया? बिजली गिरने के बाद भूत बन गया. क्या बन गया? So he has been converted into भूत means ghost. The sadhu means saint. Saint was saying सीताराम सीताराम, then सीता को देखे जा रहा था. सीताराम सीताराम सीताराम, then the साधु के ऊपर क्या गिर गया? So बिजली गिरी साधु के ऊपर, and then he converted into भूत, भूप सिंह. So which are the two important, what is in a person who, what is in a Bijolia movement? Sadhu Sitaram Das, and then I said that Bhoop Singh. In 1905, the peasants of Bijolia, they have what is in a Jagir. वहाँ पे Bijolia is in a Jagir, where the Jagirdar उसके अंडर में रहेगा. And then they are simple, they are excessive demand. Their demand is what? Excessive. The Jagirdar में land revenue is excessive. In 1930, they were led by Sadhu Sitaram Das. In 1915, Bhoop Singh began organizing them, and the latter aided by Manik Lal Verma. In 1916, they led no revenue movement against the Udaipur Maharana. और ये रीजन किसका है? उदयपुर, मेवाड़. Understood? So what is the simple? I said that in this reason that there are the peasants are there in the Jagir of, in with the Jagir, Bijolia Jagir in the Udaipur. And they have what simply revolted against the people, those who are asking exactions of high land revenue, land rent, and they what is not giving for it. And therefore, what happened? Then the first initial stage, who supported this movement? Sadhu Sitaram Das. In the second stage, who supported it? Bhoop Singh. And the third stage, who supported it? Manik Lal Verma. Understood? So it is in which region? Mewar, Udaipur. So we have seen which are the movement we have seen? Indigo. That we are able to see Indigo in Nadia district. Pabna, East Bengal mein Pabna movement. And then we have seen which one? Deccan Royals. And then we have seen in the Western Ghat itself Ramosis. And then we have been able to see Bijolia. So two in the West Bengal, thereafter two in the Western Ghat, Maharashtra. Which are the two in the Indigo revolt? You know that for the Indigo. And thereafter we have seen, I said that, Pabna. And then we have been able to see Pabna में agrarian league has been formed. And thereafter we have been able to see Deccan Royals, money lenders and all, उसके against में. And Ramosis, you know that the concept. And then we have been seeing Bijolia. दिमाग में सेट हो गया? चंपारण सत्याग्रह 1930. Champaran. So Indigo movement has been taken place in 1859 and 1860 तक result आने लग गया था. And thereafter I said that another it is in 1870 and then finally Bengal Tenancy Act in 1885 came. Pavna movement, 1870. And then we have seen 75, Deccan Rods. And then Deccan Rods has given us which Agricultural Relief Act, 1879. And then we have seen what? 1879, Ramosis movement. And then we have been able to see Bisodia. 1913, 1915, 1917, 19 like this. It is in this period. There is several Sitaram Das, then Bhup Singh, and then Maniklal Burma. Satyagraha. The famous line. Satyagraha movement. Satyagraha kya hai? What is Satyagraha? Suppose, listen me, if you have a truth, if you follow truth, never say you are not lying. Truth. So you are powerful or someone else is powerful. So how you become powerful? How you become powerful? So your muscles get higher, your soul becomes stronger. So what is this? Truth is in which force? Soul force. Yes or no? So I said that truth and then non-violence. I talk about it is giving us what? Which force? Soul force. And then I said that and it is not easy to follow. The idea of Satyagraha emphasized that if the cause is true, यदि जिस कारण से लड़ रहे हो और आप फाइट कर रहे हो, it is true. And if the struggle is against injustice, if the cause is, and if the struggle against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppression. Which force is not necessary? So which force needed? Soul force, internal force. Yes or no? क्योंकि आप फाइट करके तो एक बार में खत्म किया जा सकता है. कई लोग होते हैं ना. I said that if the truth is, यदि ट्रू क्या है, is existing, cause है आपके पास और साथ में आप जब स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं against the injustice, there is no need of soul force. That is known as Satyagraha. That is known as what? Satyagraha. Understood? This is Satyagraha. Idea of the Satyagraha emphasizes that if the cause is true, for which you are fighting, in the truthness के साथ चल रहे, if the cause is true, and the struggle is against the injustice, if the cause is true and struggle against the injustice, then there is no use of physical force. Understood? So then physical force is not necessary to fight against the oppression. Satyagraha is not a physical force. A Satyagraha does not inflict pain on adversary. उसको pain नहीं महसूस होता. जब आप ट्रूथ के साथ चलते हो, नॉन वायलेंस के साथ चलते हो, तो ही आप देखते हो कभी इनकी बातों में, अन्ना हजारे की बातों में, वेरी वीक पर्सन, लेकिन अभी भी बोलते हैं कि मैं बॉर्डर पे लड़ने के लिए रेडी हूँ. यस ना, इंटरनली वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. यस. और साथ साथ में योगा करना और ये करना टू मेकिंग योर बॉडी टू बी फिट आल्सो, हेल्दी बॉडी यू शुड हैव आल्सो. अदरवाइज ये 12 दिन, 11 दिन, 10 दिन, इतने दिन कैसे कोई भूखा रह सकता? यस. एक तो इंटरनल फोर्स, एंड द गांधी हैज गिवन दिस सोल फोर्स टू इंडिया. अरे इसीलिए तो वर्ल्ड इनके पीछे है. यस. द होल वर्ल्ड रिस्पेक्ट, बट हम लोग थोड़े से क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं. सो आई सेड दैट हम लोग अक्टूबर आता है तो फिर बोलते हैं अच्छा कुछ अच्छा दिन है ना, छुट्टी है, नेशनल हॉलीडे है. So I say Satyagraha is not a physical force. A Satyagraha does not inflict the pain on adversary. In the use of Satyagraha, there is no ill will whatsoever. कोई ill will नहीं होगा. यदि आप इसको समझ रहे हैं, if you're understanding in the Satyagraha, in the use of Satyagraha, there is no ill will whatsoever. In the 1922, he left non-cooperation movement, withdrawal of non-cooperation movement. He clearly said that just follow truth and non-violence. What you want, you will get beyond it. But what happened? Champa and the Chara incident took place. He said that in the use of Satyagraha, there is no ill will. There is no ill will whatsoever. समझ में आ रहा है? तो सत्याग्रह ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ, यदि कभी क्रिटिसिज्म करने के लिए आएगा, पॉइंट को प्लस भी देना है, नेगेटिव भी. इन द आई सेड दैट गांधी on their point he was completely correct, but because the Satyagraha says that in the non-cooperation it is in a part of Satyagraha, another experiment with the Satyagraha where there is no ill will required. On the basis of that, he was correct to withdraw the non-cooperation movement, because his base of this non-cooperation movement is what? Satyagraha. The base of, so just I said that. चीजें आसान है, मैं इसको बहुत आसान से चीजों समझ आ सकता है यदि आपके पास बहुत सारे, if you have lots of facts and the things are there, you can make drastic. Satyagraha is a pure soul force. What is this? Pure soul force. And the truth is very substance of the soul. Yes or not? सोल का एनर्जी कौन है? बाइक चलाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? पेट्रोल. और सत्याग्रह के लिए क्या चाहिए? सो आई सेड दैट ट्रुथ, जो क्या है? ट्रुथ इज द व्हाट? सोल. एंड द ट्रुथ इज द एनर्जी सप्लाइंग टू द व्हाट? सोल फोर्स. सोल फोर्स. सत्याग्रह इज व्हाट? सोल फोर्स. एंड हु इज गिविंग दिस फोर्स? सो एंड हु इज द फ्यूल फॉर दिस? Truth. Understood it? I said that Satyagraha is pure soul force and truth is very substance of the soul. That is why the force is called, the soul force is called Satyagraha. Champaran is a district in the Bihar, and Gandhiji started his political career from well-known Satyagraha in Champaran 1970. Champaran, that is आज के डेट में उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? बेतिया, West Champaran, Betia, Sitamarhi. Sitamarhi is East Champaran and West Champaran is Betia district. Champaran is a district in the present Bihar, and then Gandhiji started his political career from well-known Satyagraha in Champaran 1917. He came to India in 1950 and was successful in proving his idea of the truth and non-violence. In Champaran, peasants were forced to do indigo cultivation in the 3 out of 20 parts. That is known as 20 कट्ठे का एक हिस्सा बना रहता है और उसमें से बोलते थे 3 पार्ट्स में आपको करना है. दैट इज नॉन एज 3 कठिया. दैट इज नॉन एज व्हाट? एंड द नॉन एज 3 कठिया सिस्टम. दे वेर पेड लेस. जैसे आपने देखा था पहले इंडिगो रिवॉर्ड दैट वी हैव सीन इन द व्हाट इन 1859. यस. एंड देन दे हैव आल्सो डन दिगंबर विश्वास एंड देन विष्णु विश्वास. दे हैव आल्सो डन लाइक दिस. They are also not getting the same thing, and here it is also the people are already under the pressure. They are trying to make the indigo. They paid less, value given to the yield was less. The wages paid to the laborers were extremely low and entirely inadequate, and they were forced to labor hard and were severely punished for the misconduct. और सच में कहा जाए तो there is an I said that यहाँ पर I said that there was a portion, नाम भूल रहा हूँ मैं, Sri Rajkumar Shukla. He met with this person. He came to the 1916 Lucknow Pact and during that period, and he met with the Gandhi and also, and he was knowing the Gandhi. Then he invited Gandhi to this place. But already in their agenda, this point was there. In the agenda of Congress, Indian National Congress, this point was there. The point of what? This indigo cultivators. ये ऐसा नहीं था कि उनके पास वो राजकुमार शुक्ला आए, क्या नाम थे? क्या था? राजकुमार शुक्ला, राजकुमार शुक्ला आए एंड देन दे सेड दैट ओके डू इट. ऐसा नहीं था. दे कैम बट इट इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन देयर वन ऑफ द एजेंडा. आई सेड दैट and then we have been able to see Gandhi paid an historic visit to Champaran, and his visit was opposed by the British rulers, and an order asking him to leave Champaran was served upon him as soon as they arrived at Motihari. Betia, Motihari. Clear? And then Motihari is in East Champaran. जैसे ही पहुंचे वहां पर उन्होंने बोला गया कि आपको लीव करना होगा, you cannot. But Gandhi was going with which force? Soul force, internal force. Clear? And then when he was going, and then an order asking him to leave Champaran and was served upon him as soon as they arrived at Motihari. After considerable struggle, the government was compelled to lift the ban on Gandhi's stay here. For the first time in Indian soil, Satyagraha was successfully put to the test, and it was successful. And eventually, what is there is a formation of what? Frank Shai Committee. Under this Frank Shai Committee, he was also one of the members for looking after indigo problem in the cultivators in Bihar. Eventually, a committee of inquiry was appointed by the government, British government, under the chairmanship of Frank Shine, and Gandhi was also made one of the members of committee. अपने आप में achievement है, you know that. On the basis of this valued recommendation, the committee, the Champaran Agrarian Law was passed. देख रहा है, first test and number 1 position. Clear, Mister? और ये चीज हुआ जबकि इवन देन सेवरल लीडर्स वेर सेइंग दैट डोंट गो डोंट गो डोंट गो, क्योंकि उनके पास ये औकात ही नहीं थी, वो डर रहे थे भैया पुलिस वाले अंदर ले जाके, तो ही वेंट देयर विद दिस सत्याग्रह. यस और नॉट, आप समझ रहे हैं सत्याग्रह. एंड सत्याग्रह आप में एक दिन में नहीं आता, इट इज एन सीरीज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस एंड दैट ही हैज ऑलरेडी एक्सपेरिमेंटेड इन द व्हाट इज ना. जब उन्हें ट्रेन में जा रहे थे वहां पे लात पड़ी और कहां कहां सब जगह, तो धीरे धीरे सत्याग्रह आता है. यस और नॉट. So therefore, thereafter he experiment here in India. Champaran Agrarian Law. Next in the line there is an Ahmedabad mill strike, workers strike. Outcomes of the satyagraha was 35% increase in the wage of the workers. इससे क्या हो गया? जितने भी मिल वर्कर्स थे उनका सैलरी कितनी बढ़ गई? 35%. And this was followed by Kheda Satyagraha in the Gujarat. Here some consideration was given to the peasant and during the natural calamities like famine. तो जब भी natural calamity और famine, इनका यही डिमांड था कि जब natural calamity and famine is there, then how can I produce and how can I give the tax? Yes or not? And that has been supported by Mr. Gandhi. Understood? So again the Kheda Satyagraha also proved. So Ahmedabad mill strike, Kheda Satyagraha, that has been proved successfully. बताओ क्यों नहीं Gandhi will famous? So he get sudden famous. And then Rajkumar Sakla, an indigo cultivator of the district, having heard about the non-cooperation movement and met Gandhiji, and then appraised him about the miserable plight of the indigo cultivators and all. पढ़ लेना इसके बाद. And then at almost the same time, the Indian National Congress in December 1916 passed in Lucknow resolution requesting